Hello, this is Caroline from Wild Nettle Gardens, and it is a beautiful sunny October day. Well, it is coming back again. And I am getting quotes for shipping my market garden up to Darlington, and because of the high cost of them, I am whittling down what I'm going to take, which as a Cancerian, as I am, is proving very difficult. But I took the decision today that I've got to absolutely love everything that's coming with me, and I'll try and sell a few bits and bobs. But things like walking tree collards, I know they're only a year old, but my goodness, I just fell in love with them. So they're coming, and my beautiful fairy tree there. So the goldenberry that have been valiantly growing all year have been composted. Not for me, sadly, but I'm going to donate my compost to Abel at Brunhall Farm because he's local and he can use it. So I'm going to sell those 4 cherry trees and the bamboo. I'm left with 3 cherry trees. So these are the goldenberries that survived, which may survive the winter. So my beautiful citrus. And I've started digging up not asparagus, these are artichokes, because I just found out they were perennials. See, if I knew lots of things, I'd probably be a lot better at this. But anyway, I am taking those. I'm going to take the asparagus, which are growing there, which didn't really do brilliantly this year, just because I think I've moved them twice now, which is probably not the best thing to do. So, and now I'm going to pot them and take them up to Darlington with me. But anyway, here are masses of wild strawberries, which I'm getting about 50 a crate, which I think I'm really going to have to donate lots of those to. The butternut squash didn't make it through the frost. We had a very severe frost this morning. Well, I say severe. By my standards, I'm English. We don't really get really bad frosts. But pulled up a gorgeous carrot the other day. It was a purple and orange one. Entwined. I'm going to try and get a picture of it. More wild strawberries. I'm taking the beans out of these runner beans, which I've been leaving. Look how beautiful that borage is. So as you can see, I'm sort of destroying all that hard work that I've done. But you know, there is such a feeling of excitement in me. I'm really looking forward to it. So I'm chopping everything down, selecting what I want to take. And like I said, the quotes are coming back silly money. So I'm going to have to take a lot less than I wanted to. But I suppose what nature has taught me this year is that pretty much you have to just do what she wants, and more than half of it grows. Should we say it like that? I did have some massive disasters this year, and that's okay because that was my first year gardening and it's been a massive learning curve. But I can't seem to whittle down the fruit bushes. There's still quite a lot of them. So yeah, because I've found that these are my favourites by a long, long way. The honeyberries, the black currants. I've got aronia berries in there, which is exciting. Blueberries, raspberries, lots of berries. So I think I'll probably take all of those, even gooseberries, which I don't like them at all. So just to show you, as I'm pretty much almost done with the garden now, I'm sad because I really wanted to take those beds, but I just don't think I'm going to be able to. So I know a couple of people that drive lorries, so I'm going to ask them for a quote. But if anyone's got any really good ideas for how to move lots and lots of trees and bushes and plants from South Wales to Darlington for £1.50, no, that's clearly not what I want. But recently I've just been stumbling across, there's a bakery in town that keeps giving me, or said I can take as many as I want of these trays. So that's been an absolute blessing because I can get 4 of my pots in one tray. So that's just genius, because I was wondering how I was going to transport them all. But anyway, just to say, even though this year there has been some massive disasters and some massive successes, I mean, I'm just super, super proud of what is still alive. Well done you, all of you. I'm really looking forward to starting again. As I said, I've been to Abel's farm and I love the way he set it out. And to be honest, you know, everything's really far apart and the tools are miles away in the shed, which of course isn't practical or efficient. And I just kind of cobbled it together really. And, you know, it kind of looks like a garden, so I'm quite pleased with the end result. Next year, I'm going to plan it much, much better because everyone on YouTube keeps telling me you need a plan. I'm also going to introduce flowers. I cannot wait to start working in an environment where there's just beautiful, beautiful flowers. I love flowers. I think they bring great joy. And fresh cut local flowers are much, much better than ones shipped in from Kenya or anyway, I mean, smelling wise and just they last longer. So I've been watching a lot of videos about flowers and yeah, so that's my news. Moving up probably before Christmas I would have thought, but would really love some feedback about how best to get everything, you know, 5.5 hours away without too many pennies. That would be outstanding. Okay, I'll send you lots of love. Hope you're having a good time whatever you're doing and not suffering too much in the cold. All right, this is Caroline from Wild Nettle Gardens. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.